Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing illegal working in Thailand or working without authorization. And this is something I was sort of waiting for lack of a better term, the other shoe to drop on this issue. It was clear under the X-ray Outlaw Foreigner Days and the Good Guys In, Bad Guys Out initiative that, last year in 2018, the priority seemed to be placed on rounding up overstayers, finding people who were living illegally in Thailand. And I have been waiting for the other shoe to drop to watch resources being allocated now on finding people who are working illegally in Thailand. And it appears that, in fact, this is occurring. The following article is just one example. There have been multiple articles that I've seen throughout the internet in the past days on this, but this one, I think, puts the finest point on it. This comes from the Nation, nationthailand.com. Article is titled, 3 Foreign Trainers at Luk Tarn Fitness Center to Face Charge Over Work Permits. Quoting directly, 3 foreign trainers at a fitness center were arrested for allegedly working without permission, Immigration Police Bureau Chief Police Lieutenant General Sompong Chingduang told a press conference. Quoting further, the 3 male suspects were identified as a 26-year-old Frenchman, a 28-year-old Hungarian, and a 33-year-old Italian. Immigration police earlier this week inspected the fitness center to check on the legal status of foreign employees there and found that although the 3 men had proper documents for a temporary stay in Thailand, they were unable to present work permits. They were apprehended to face the charge of working without permission. So I think you can probably presume if they didn't have work permits and they weren't in the system, they're probably going to be convicted of those charges. And it's probably also safe to presume that those gentlemen are going to go ahead and be deported as well. And as a result, it seems likely they'll also probably be blacklisted, depending on, and the period of blacklisting will probably depend on the other circumstances involved in the case. I urge those who are watching this video, go read that article. There's more detail in there. The reason I'm bringing this up is I sort of want to be clear. In the past, Thai immigration has been dealing with people who were out of immigration status. It now appears to me as though a priority is being made for finding people who are out of work authorization status, and that more resources may be allocated to ferreting out those individuals moving forward compared to the allocation of resources in the past, which seemed to be prioritized toward finding overstayers and people who entered illegally. It seems that most of those folks have been cleared out, and now the priority is on people working illegally. So if you are working in the Kingdom of Thailand, you need to get into work authorization status as quickly as possible. If you're out of status, it can lead to substantially negative consequences, as noted in this article and in this video generally. And the other thing to keep in mind with respect to work authorization is, yes, they're getting stricter about certain things, but in the emergency decree of 2018, March specifically, once one has work authorization, the scope and scale of working in Thailand is much broader than it once was. So once you get your work permit, it really sort of opens up a lot of avenues for being able to live and make a living here in Thailand. Whereas once it was much more confined to, province-specific work, or it was much more confined to specific job description activities. Now it's much more liberalized once a work permit is actually issued. So it's a good idea to go ahead and get into work permit status here in the kingdom as soon as you can if you're looking to earn a living and live long-term in Thailand. We hope you found this video insightful. For those of you who are interested, we're trying to make videos to provide up-to-date information as soon as this information comes out. And for that reason, it may be a good idea to go ahead and click the bell button, the bell icon below, to go ahead and be updated as these videos come out, as you can go ahead and be apprised of the legal situation as it evolves.